sure. Okay, sure. That sounds perfectly fine.
I could have sworn. Oh wait, no, I finished this. Okay. Next class would be, let's see, humanities.
Okay.
Uh, so that's good. I need to do this. Let's see, what else do I need to do? I'm just taking out everything I need.
That's totally fine. I'm also getting prepared as well.
Yeah,
Trying to get
let's
everything
see.
set up. But yeah, I want to say thank you for trying to work with me on trying to get the Chromebook setup working. Again, I'm sorry that's not working, so it's gonna be a little janky. So we'll just talk. I'll try to draw things with you, but I'll also need your help if you have like an
Hold
equation or
on.
something to write it down as well. Is that okay?
Yeah, I might have got an identical copy, so I might already be done with something.
Oh, well, hey, that's great. Less homework, right?
Oh yeah, no, mom, look. So, that's an identical copy, so I'm gonna just go throw that out later.
Stuff on the Chromebook that you have to do for homework. Right?
Yeah, no, I'm just focusing on all the paper assignments for now. Um, let's see.
All math assignments only so he can help you with math.
Oh, yeah, no, let me go to math then. I don't like math.
Well, good thing I'm here to help you out.
Yeah. Uh, what do I need to be done? I need to finish. No, that's already graded. Um, I need this. Let's see. Um, do I need this? Yeah, I think I need this. Yeah, I need this. Yeah. I found something we can do.
Okay.
Yeah. I did this with another tutor for a little bit, and I just put question marks under ones I don't know the answer to.
All right. That is totally fine. That's good. Skip it until you can get to
Mhm.
it.
Yeah. Um. So how do I take a picture?
And send it to him.
So that's a tricky thing. I don't know. I haven't used this much with the phone, so I don't know if you can like. I'm sure there's a way you can attach like a picture or screenshots or something.
Good screenshot of it and send it to
Mm.
him.
Screenshot's only like on this phone screen. No, the phone screen. Like it takes a picture what's like this, like on here.
And send
No, it takes a picture of what's currently on like my phone screen.
it. Swipe up. Swipe up.
Oh,
Like this.
yeah, hold on.
And then
Yeah.
Uh,
This is new
camera.
technology, so feel free to do what you gotta do to have fun and figure it out. You're helping me learn it too.
Um, yeah.
Yeah.
I got bored during class and then I just started sketching on it.
Yeah, that's fine.
I sketch a lot. Let's see, how would I? So I took a picture of it. I don't know how to send it to you though.
Oh, okay. Well, you
you
might.
would have to send it to his phone number probably.
Oh wait, hon.
Oh.
Share. I'm figuring it out. I see something. Give me a sec.
Oh, you see
Yeah,
an option to share?
I found it says board chat, so I'm gonna see if I can send something through that.
Okay. Yeah.
Uh, so let's see, board chat. Uh, I don't think I don't think I can. I'm trying, but it's not letting me.
All right. Well, hey, I think
I can send you an emoji, but it won't let me send you anything else.
all right. Well, then we might have to put your sketching skills to use. And
Sad.
yeah, and you might have to.
I can't find anything.
Okay.
Hello?
Oh, hello. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello, hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Testing, testing.
Let me give you
Uh-oh.
Alan's number so you can put it in
Did
your
I get
phone,
muted?
too.
Mm-hmm.
Did he?
Can
there
you
must have
hear
come
me?
back by some.
Yeah.
Testing, testing.
No.
All right. I'm gonna try calling again. I will try board calling
I
again.
put right there, Aya Martinez.
Mm-hmm. He's trying to talk to me over the voice chat.
Okay. Let's try this again. Ah, the wonders of technology. Yeah, we'll get it sorted.
Hello? Is
Hello.
it back?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
There we go.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but I was trying to say, what's it called? I tried sending something.
Yeah.
Oh, I see something else. I might be able to. Ooh, insert image.
Oh, can you do that?
Uh, Let me see. I'd have to paste it like it's a link for a web image, not save board. My image invite
Hmm.
people into image, import as export as user guide. I'm gonna go to user guide.
Oh, that's right.
What are
Okay.
the main
Oh,
features?
okay. Wait, wait.
Uh,
From insert, you can probably
um,
if you go back to insert the
how do I
image,
add a type text? How do I change
are you
color?
able
How do I
to?
change line?
Oh
How
no.
do I
Wait, can you hear me,
How do I
Max?
add an image? You can insert image by from the menu insert.
Are you able to hear me? Hello?
So most of these are for laptop. Hold on, let me see if the laptop is charged now.
Okay. Oh, I think anytime he goes to the menu,
So
the sound
hold
cuts out.
on. Hello?
Yeah, I think the sound. Can you hear me? Hello, hello.
Hold on. Oh, you can hear me? Okay, so we just can't hear him, but what I'm gonna do, right, is I'm gonna try turning on my laptop.
Plug it.
Yeah, I'm gonna try turning on my laptop and I'm gonna see if I can't do it over that. It's still charging though. Give me a sec. Loading. Can't let it die or else it just starts
Oh,
crying about it.
right.
Um,
There we go.
while it loads itself up because it died, I'm gonna go get myself a water.
Alright. So we're still getting this sorted out. It seems like I'm learning that when a mobile user uses this software, they're having difficulties inserting images. And then the audio cuts out, which is odd. So I'll need to make a note of that to troubleshoot.
Uh, on off the website for a sec. Um, Laptop loaded and I'm back. So let me type in the pin. Loading again. Almost. I believe. I believe. Live, laptop, please, or else I'll be sad.
Alright, let's try this again. Oh, please work. Can you hear me again?
Yeah, I can hear you again.
Okay, yeah, I think something about messing with the
Yeah.
menu might be causing the
We have to
audio
do
to.
this quickly before you cut out again.
Oh, maybe it's my laptop. Uh-oh. I didn't. Yeah, maybe it's me that's cutting out entirely.
Uh, yeah, no. Let
Hmm.
me. Um, man, you can't really let this laptop die, or else it takes longer for everything to load.
Yeah.
So wait for a second.
Yeah. No. Again, there's no rush. This is all kind of new tech for both you and me trying to get it to work when it can't work.
Ooh, ooh, okay.
So that's okay.
I managed to open the browser. Okay, so
All right. Awesome.
it was Ziteboard. Let me look that up. Ziteboard.
Yeah. Wait, are you able to access email on that? Because then,
Yes.
Oh,
Your
yeah, you could
email.
just probably click the link, right?
I don't think I have an email on this. Hon, let me go to Gmail. Let me try and look it up on my thing.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Mail app. It opened itself and then it just immediately closed.
See if you could go on Chrome and open it that way. Just
Yeah, I'm gonna go on the I'm gonna try going on Google and I'm just gonna look it up that way and see if I can't join from there.
Okay. Sure. Yeah. Of course.
Board.com. Ah,
Yeah.
why didn't it automatically connect to the internet? Why aren't you connected?
Okay.
Being annoying.
Did
Okay, there we go.
Oh, it's working?
It's loading back to the internet. I don't know why it didn't want to, but now it is.
Okay.
Zyboard.com. At least this is a speed charger, so I get a lot of charge back.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, I'm around 32%.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, that's really good.
Um, oh my god, you're taking so long you still there?
Yeah. I'm still here.
Okay. Okay. I thought you cut out again. When I typed in Ziteboard, it just took me to a bunch of digital whiteboards.
Hmm. Okay.
Um,
Yeah. So this is a unique link that I gave you to go directly to the one that I'm at. I think if you just go to the regular app, it just takes you to like a random free one. But you can't invite people, you can't do video calls, stuff like that.
mm,
Yeah.
okay. So we can't do it on my school laptop because it just says 404 not found.
Yeah, unfortunate. But you can do it
Yeah.
on this one, right?
Y- Yeah, no, I don't know about this one
Hmm.
because, like you said, it's a unique thing.
Yeah, you'd have to, I think, either, again, get an email address, and then I could send it to you, or you'd have to,
Mhm.
like, manually type it in.
Mm. Let's try manually typing it in again, despite how much don't want to.
Alright, well, I really appreciate it. And you know what? I'm gonna try to keep this
Alright.
board open, so then it'll be a one and done thing. I'll keep, we could
Yeah.
just use this one forever.
I'm gonna. I'm just gonna here so I can close. Can I close it and still talk to you?
Well, you could close this on your
Hello?
phone. Hello?
Mom, I think you cut out again.
Oh no.
Um,
Okay. I can
let's
still hear
see,
you.
Gmail. Let me
We
type it
can
in.
just talk on
If
the
you're still
phone.
there, then I'm trying to type the thing in right now.
Okay, alright, I see what's happening. So he minimized the window, So you could see the
get a
URL,
virus or something? Why is everything taking so slow to
and it's
load,
typing it
bro?
out manually. Wow, what a trooper. That's great. Yeah, I'm surprised though that there's an issue with the sound cutting out. So I'm gonna have to look into that so that way this isn't an issue. But it seems to be for mobile
Yeah.
devices. Note to self. Test siteboard with iOS and Android mobile devices for calls and audio dropping
Mm,
when
this is awesome.
using
This is
menu.
amazing. I opened so many tabs because I clicked it too many times. This is amazing. This is awesome. I wanted this. This is exactly what I wanted.
Oh, that's funny. Then
Ah,
report issue and reproduction steps to webmaster. Alright, so hopefully we can get this sorted out.
mm, mm.
I think he might have it though.
Mm. I'm trying to figure this out. Ooh, ooh, my Wi-Fi actually came back. It's a miracle. Things are actually loading. Oh my god,
Oh, what
so
if it's...
beautiful.
Wait, that could be another thing.
Um,
If the Wi-Fi is dropping, then maybe that's what's causing the issue.
yeah, let's see.
Unstable Wi-Fi
Let's
preventing
see.
phone
So the
calls from reconnecting.
hold on,
Question
I
mark?
have an idea.
Hmm. Yeah, because it is odd that it's one-sided.
Jesus Christ, everything's taking a while to load.
I can hear joiner, but joiner cannot hear me. Ah, ba 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 ba. Yep, no, my mic's good. Yeah. Hmm.
Try closing and reopening Chrome. I might just close and reopen the entire laptop and see if that fixes the problem. Oh wait, no. Ooh, ooh.
Huh?
Yes. Yes. I can sign into my Gmail on the laptop and see if you can send me that.
Oh, that's great. Okay. Let me try disconnecting and recalling. Or oh wait. Hmm. You have to figure out a way to mute him. I have a way. I have a way. Yeah. We're good. No doxing here. No doxing. So I'll mute him.
Gmail
Let me just test.
dot.
Yep. Okay. Hmm.
Hmm. Let's see. This is taking forever.
Wait a minute. Yeah, no, I can send it
Mm-hmm.
through the other thing. Okay, okay, okay.
And I have to open something on my phone. Uh,
Oh, I think I'm getting called. Alright. Whoops. Hello? Yes. Hi, Max. Yeah. Yeah, the Gmail. Yeah, totally fine that you're calling over the phone. That works. Yeah. And I have the link ready to go in an email. And so whenever you're ready, I could send it to an email address. Oh, okay, you're still logging in. Okay. Yeah, of course. Yeah? Oh no, you have to type it in. Well, the nice thing is that again, once you type it in, you could bookmark it, and then we'll just use the same one every time. Nice. Yeah. No, it would be terrible to have to type it in like every time. Okay. Oh no, there's no commas, it's only periods. Oh. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, and if there's any doubts, you could also highlight it and copy it. So then if you enter it and it like deletes everything, then you could like paste it again. And then that way it's still sort of saved. What? Wait a minute. That's so bizarre. 404 not found. Okay. I'm gonna try to mess with this a little bit. I'm gonna try to use a tiny URL, which is an abbreviated version that would still take you to the same link. And it'll be a custom one. That is a great idea. Yeah, you can with Gmail and I'll try to not let this mess up. Okay. Alright, I made like a short link, so then maybe that will work. Alright, so let me know when you're ready and I could read it out to you so you could type it in. Alright, so it's gonna be in! You're in! You did it! Yeah! We did it. Teamwork. Alright, and you could like zoom out, you could zoom in, you can click, you could draw, you could do anything. What parts do you see? Live. Yeah, okay, perfect. Yeah, so this is the board. This is the thing. We can move. You can draw, and again, I just wish this would work on the Chromebook so you can copy paste. All right, so now I'm gonna try the next step, and I'm gonna try to call you through this thing again through the laptop. Is that okay? All right, cool. So let's see. Testing. Oh, please work. It's conferencing software. It's supposed to work. Hello? Hello? Oh, okay. If I cannot hear you, but if you can hear me, if it's on a web browser that you haven't used before, you might have to enable the microphone, which will be a pop-up on the left or something. And then that might work. on like on the part where there's a URL, there should be like a thing on the left where it says microphone or permissions. And you would say okay. Or does also, if you shoot. Okay, are you able to hear me? Because there's also the board chat on the bottom left that you could click to type in stuff. So then you could let me know that way. Or you know what? Maybe I just do this. Can you hear me? And then I'll also do it here. Can you hear me? Yes, okay, you can hear me. And then I'm assuming you're talking, but I cannot hear you. Okay. I'm not sure how to get the microphone working for a laptop that I've never seen before. Is there anything that says like microphone or microphone permissions? Again, I'm sorry this is supposed to... this is a bit of a technical mess. I tried to make this whole setup so that it's like super easy. There's a link you could click on. Yeah, there's a call thing. It should be all set up, but I guess it's not really working. How about this? For now, I'll hang up on the board call. I'm clicking on it, it's not working. Okay, that's fine. How about this? I'll just hang up on the board call, and then we'll just talk on the phone. Because the important thing is that we have the space to work with, and we can hear each other. Is that okay? Okay. All right. Let's try that then. All right. Take 2.
I'm sorry, the person you were trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Please try your call again later. Goodbye. Hello?
Hello.
This is saddening.
Yeah. It's really unfortunate that this thing's kind of falling apart. But thank you for still sticking with me on this.
Yeah.
Okay.
As someone attempted to make games in the past, I can tell it's not the programmer's fault. Microphones are hard.
Yeah. Technology is nice and tricky. Also, hey, that's pretty cool. You tried making games.
Yeah.
Did you use Scratch?
I used what's it called? Unreal Engine.
Oh, whoa, that's really complex. Oh man, Unreal Engine?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's like Unity. That's hard.
Unity and Unreal is hard. Makes my head hurt.
Yeah, but if you want to try something simple, I actually recommend a Scratch. It's
I know what Scratch is. That's where I started off, and then
oh.
What's it called? My coding teacher said, "Hey, you're pretty good at this."
Yeah.
And he said, "You want me to teach you how to actually code?" And then that's how I got into coding.
Whoa. Wow, that's huge. Okay.
Okay, on another issue. Never mind problem solving, I fixed it.
Okay.
Okay, I got it.
All right. So for now, are you able to start the homework?
Hopefully, let me get the pens.
Okay. Well, I mean, again, the thing is that it should be on kind of the computer. You should be able to kind of draw with your mouse or touch screen.
So let me draw the questions I'm bad at.
Yeah, of course.
I can't do French. No, I'll just draw it. So
Yeah, you draw a picture, whatever is easiest for you at this point. Whatever you like, whatever you find more engaging.
drawing pen. I don't have a drawing pen. Mom, where'd you put the tablet with the drawing pen? Sad. That's what I'm saying. You can't take a picture. Is there anything that you did? No, but how am I gonna get onto the laptop?
Well, I mean, on the laptop, you could also like click and draw with the
Yeah,
thing,
that's
right?
what I'm doing right now.
Okay. Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
So it's 30. That's the entire question. It didn't elaborate. There's nothing else.
So this is the question? Oh my goodness. Okay, sorry, that made me laugh. Alright. That is totally fine. So it just has let me try to redraw it as well, just so I'm clear. So it looks like -30 over -6, and that's it.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. So just so I can have a bit more context, do you also have another equation that you were able to solve, or something that for math that was like easy and that you're able to get?
Something that I was able to solve were like
Yeah.
the really easy baby questions, like a little bit before this. It was
Yeah, just show me which one it is so I kind of know like what level we're working with.
it's 7th grade level, so like this was really way back a bit, so it's not as complex as it is now. So what's it called? One of them was -6 plus -7 plus, and then parentheses -8, and then end parentheses. It's really hard to draw with just I don't even have a mouse,
Oh, okay.
so I just have to use the regular desktop thing.
All right. Well, thank you for working with me on that. Okay, and so was this the whole equation, or was there a little bit more?
That was. Let me double check that I have everything right. Oh wait, hon. It isn't -7. It just has a plus. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah, that was it.
Okay. So can you walk me through how, in your mind, you would solve this equation?
So what I do first, right? Is I do this, and since it's a negative, right, it come out to 1.
Okay.
So, what's it called? And then the 8 would come over, and so it'd be, what's it called? -7.
Okay. Yeah, nice and easy. All right.
Yeah.
Now I recall hearing that you were learning about PEMDAS, right?
Oh yeah, now I know PEMDAS.
Okay. And you know how to do the whole thing and how to prioritize it?
Yeah, it was parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction.
Yeah, perfect. All right. So, and do you know why that PEMDAS is a thing?
Not really.
Okay, cool. All right, so I'm gonna start a little bit back there, and then we can kind of work our way towards the funky looking equation, if that's okay.
Yeah.
All right. So the reason why PEMDAS is important with the parentheses, move it to where you like. All right. So there's the parentheses. There's the exponents. There's multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Right? There's just all these signs, and the reason why is because it kind of gives structure to how we make our numbers. So the thing about the numbers and math, it's all kind of arbitrary. Like this is the number 4, right? But then also this, but then also this can be written as 4. And then in like a different thing that like this is 4. Like these all mean 4 in different ways. And so when we do things like multiplication and division and stuff like that, there's certain symbols that we use that are just kind of silly looking, but they're there so that way we can kind of understand it, and we have a standard system so no one gets confused. Because if you have something like 8 minus 2 parentheses, yeah.
Whenever I move it, does it move for your screen too?
Yeah, and that's totally fine. I want you to move it how you like it, how you can see it.
Oh,
Yeah, No, it's fine. I kind of like use the whole screen, but like, yeah, wherever it's best for you, feel free to move it. That's totally fine. Yeah. Okay. So if you have something like let's see, 8 minus 2 times 6 minus 2, that's going to be a different equation than something like 8 minus 2 times 6 minus 2. Oh, are you able to see both parts, or are you just seeing the new part?
I'm just seeing the new part. Let me zoom out.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay. Yeah. Because here, without the parentheses, then you're gonna get something like, oh geez, 6 times 6, which is 36 minus 2, and that's 34. 6 times 4, and that's gonna be like 24. Because when you have things like parentheses, they kind of let you know that this comes first, and then you do it. Because otherwise, I'm sorry, I'm getting a little confused. But it's the distinction between multiplying against the 6 and then the whole thing being minus 2 versus the 6 directly being minus 2 and then the whole thing multiplying together. So PEMDAS is just a very specific structure and how we do math and how things are ordered, and using parentheses to kind of figure out, okay, you do this part first and then this part, so that the math can work in a way. Yeah. All right. So going back to your example right here with the -6, 7, and 8, yes, you did it correctly in that you went from left to right, and then you got your final answer. Technically, though, and this is the silly thing, you still got to do the parentheses first. So, yeah, but I mean, you still got the right answer. You still got the same thing. It'd be -6. Oh yeah, give it a shot.
So,
It would.
I take out the 7, and then I add the -1, and then it'd be -7, right?
Kind of. So it's a little bit more messed up than that. Cause here what you do is you want to clear out this parentheses, and what you actually have here is -6 plus 7 plus an invisible 1 that's being multiplied to -8, and you have basically right here what's going on is you have +1 times -8. And that would just equal -8. So that's how you would clear out that parentheses. So then this equation will actually turn into -6 plus 7 minus 8. That's like the only little nitpicky thing. And again, I know it seems like, why do I got to do that? It's so nitpicky. But that's kind of how math works, because you got to follow these nitpicky rules so that you can do the more complex stuff.
Yeah, no, the reason I'm not necessarily good at math is because I'm not necessarily good at instructions, like in general.
Nah, I think you got it. I know maybe you feel that way now, but I'm here to help you realize that you got it, and it's not that bad.
I'm more so into creative aspects. Mom can back me up on this, but I do art a lot.
Okay.
I like to draw.
Well, that's the cool thing though. Like, math and art is like weirdly related. Cause okay, you're not on. I don't know if you're on this yet. Have you heard of oh God, what's this thing called? A graph?
A line graph?
Yeah, like a line graph, but this is an XYZ graph.
Oh yeah, no, I know what you mean. Like the X and then the Y to the side and then the Z. And what's it called? My teacher would just have us find areas on that graph.
Yeah, you'd find areas, but then there's also like shapes and functions and all this kind of crazy stuff.
Oh no, I haven't done the functions yet.
Okay, cool. So we're not to the hard stuff. Well, more hard stuff. You'll probably get there, but let's work with the hard stuff we got now. But yeah, there'll be some crazy stuff you'll see. Like seriously, 3D shapes. There'll be like spheres, and I don't know. It looks funky to me. I think it looks artistic, but for now, yeah, it's just kind of numbers. So
Yeah, no, because whenever I'm in math class, it feels like I blink for like 2 seconds and there's just an equation that looks just funky. I'm like, what is that?
yeah, yeah. So what
Why
you're?
are they,
Oh no, go ahead. You're saying?
yeah, like, why are they putting the letters in math now?
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're starting in algebra. Got it. All right, I'll explain that in a second. So first, actually, let me start on that now. So right now, when they're talking about like letters and math, it's basically like a bucket. They like to use values like x and y, right? But technically it could be anything, right? It could be smiley face. It could be like sad face. These things don't really matter so much as, people use the letters x's and y's and a's, b's, and c's, which is very similar to this equation right here, which has a, b, and c. This is actually a math equation, but they're using these things and they're like variables.
Yeah, so I know what that means necessarily.
Yeah.
A plus B, so like A with the exponent of 2 and B with the exponent of 2 equals C with the exponent of 2.
Yeah.
So it's like number plus this number equals that number.
Yeah, exactly.
They're using letters.
Yeah, and the reason why they're using these letters is to find something unknown. So, like, normally for math, they'd say, okay, what is 6 minus 2, right? But then instead of just leaving it like that, they would actually say 6 minus 2 equals x. And then they would say solve for x. So it's the same process, right? Same thing. But instead of just saying solve this, they would say solve this, and now you're finding this mysterious number that we're going to use later for something.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so that's basically, it's just like a bucket number that they have, and sometimes you might not know what it is, right? Or maybe you have two equations, so then you have what is x plus y, where, x equals 6 minus 2, and y equals 0 plus 1.
Ooh, we have to solve another equation or two because we're running out of time.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Yes, we are running out of time, but, I mean, we'll see each other again.
Yeah.
I hope.
You want to continue this paper tomorrow maybe? Because it's like 7:59.
Yeah, sure. But just to kind of let you know what's going on here really quick, is that they're changing the numbers or the way that you do things so that you don't get confused as easily. Because before, x would be multiply, right? But that's now being replaced with a dot. So then you have one, it looks like this. And then for division, where you have maybe 2 divided by 2, it used to look like that. Now they're changing it to be 2 over 2 like this. Yeah, because in PEMDAS you can actually have these things pretty separated and far apart. So to divide easier, they're going to start stacking the numbers in the equations. So that way later on when you do more complex equations, it's kind of easier to understand. So yeah, so looking at your 30 minus 6, it's, oh, everything's shrinking. It's actually negative 30 divided by negative 6. So that's basically what it is. But yeah, we can definitely continue this tomorrow, and we can even start earlier at 6 o'clock if that's okay.
Okay.
All right.
Actually, tomorrow at 6 o'clock?
Yeah.
I have school tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Would you still need to do 7 then?
Mom? Actually, no, what's tomorrow? Wednesday?
Yeah, you go in a little bit later, so you can sleep
Yeah.
on there. You can have some.
Yeah, on Wednesdays, they give us an extra hour to sleep in.
You have to be in school till 9:20 on Wednesday.
I see.
Yeah. By 6 I mean 6 p.m., not a.m. Yeah.
I got you. Oh, I thought you meant 6 a.m.
No, not in the morning. No. That's too early for me too.
That'd be mean.
Yeah.
How would I'm better with drawing with a pen, so.
Yeah, and that's really why you want to use the Chromebook because it has like a touch
Oh
screen.
yeah, no, I can I have a touch screen, so let me just
Oh wait, is your laptop a touch screen?
yeah, my laptop's a touch screen. I just remembered that.
Oh, hey, all right, so it'll be a lot faster next time. Oh, look at that. We could just do it this way.
Nice.
Nice. Okay, so would tomorrow at 6 p.m. be okay? Can you check with your mom?
Mom, 6 p.m. okay tomorrow? Okay, yeah, no, 6 p.m.'s fine.
Okay. Yeah, and again, I'm so sorry for all the technical difficulties. I'll try to
No, no,
make it
it's
easier
fine.
this time.
It's fun.
Uh,
I like working through a good challenge. I like puzzles.
all right, cool. But yeah, we'll definitely kind of get right to it with the math equations next time. Please bookmark this page so we could just
Yeah,
get
I
right to
already
it.
did.
Okay.
Yeah, I bookmarked it instantly.
All right, excellent.
And then I add the table there.
All right, and I think this page should still work. I'm gonna do one last test. I'm gonna try to close the page, but it should still be open for you. Can I try that really quick?
Okay.
Okay. Uh,
And then, did you close it?
okay, I closed it. Is it still open? Is everything still working?
Yeah, everything's still working for me.
Okay, hey, there you go. So if you want to take some time and just doodle in there, if you want to draw some extra equations, it's there for you, and we'll just bring it up tomorrow.
Okay.
All right, but yeah, thank you again for letting me try to help you out. Thank you again for working with me on this. I'm again sorry about the difficulties, but we'll get it tomorrow. All right.
Alright.
All right.
Goodbye.
All right. Have a good night.
You too.
Ah, that was so hard. All right. So we'll get back on the proper math, proper tutoring tomorrow. Not today. Yeah, technical difficulties all around. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes that doesn't happen. Oh boy. All right, I'm gonna try to go for a twofer. So tomorrow at 6 p.m. Yeah, that should work. All right. Meanwhile, hey, thank you. If you're watching this, I'm having this more as like an archive video, so that I could kind of learn from how to improve. Technical difficulties, how to get things up, set up faster, tiny URL. I think that's the key here. Yeah. Seeing if there's anything that I muted that I shouldn't have muted, or something that I should have muted that I shouldn't have. I'm getting it backwards. What else? I gotta contact the webmaster to see what's going on with the volume call dropping, as well as maybe like have a guide on how to enable mics on devices. Yeah. All right. But there it is. Tomorrow on Wednesday, I'll have another tutoring session live, and I'll try to just get right to it. Man, screen sharing would help a lot, but can't quite do it. I wonder if it's a software limitation, or I don't know. I thought this thing would be perfect because it could use on multiple devices, but well, we'll see. A learning experience. Today was a learning experience. Tomorrow will be a doing experience. So that'll be nice. Oh man, I finally got someone I could tutor and help out with, and it happens. First time's always rough. But here's the thing, right? This setup kind of worked. It kind of worked. He was able to engage. We were able to talk a little bit. There was no complete dead air. It was just technical difficulties with multiple devices and the volume dropping, and I guess the school firewall blocking this. I wonder if there's a way to whitelist this website, because it's conferencing software, you know, but it is technically third party. Okay. Well, things for me to worry about all night and work towards for tomorrow. Yeah, alright. I gotta review this in the archives. Anyways, To anyone who stood by, this is kind of how it's like sometimes, but hopefully not indicative of all tutoring that I might offer. Until then, have a good night.